Welcome to another coin unboxing from the Perth Mint. This time, it's our magnificent 2022 Games Through the Ages collectible, made from 2 ounces of 99.99% pure silver. It comes in this intricately illustrated shipper, in which you'll find a certificate of authenticity and a stylish display case. Just to reassure you, it's perfectly okay to handle this coin. It features a special antiqued surface treatment, which not only looks great, but also protects the silver. The spectacular centerpiece is a 24-carat plated stainless steel insert representing noughts and crosses, or tic-tac-toe. Each one of these tiny cubes marked with an X or an O rotates so you can actually play the game. Visit us at theperthmint.com or one of our authorised distributors as soon as possible to secure this superb piece of memorabilia before it sells out.